to life. But each one in proper order, Christ the first fruits, then at his coming, those who belong to Christ, then comes the end. When he hands over the kingdom to his God and Father, when he has destroyed every sovereignty and every authority and power, for he must reign until he has put all his enemies under his feet. The last enemy to be destroyed is death, for he subjected everything under his feet. But when he says that everything has been subjected, it is clear that it excludes the one who subjected everything to him. When everything is subjected to him, then the Son himself will also be subjected to the one who subjected everything to him, so that God may be all in all. The word of the Lord.
Jesus said to his apostles, "No pupil outranks his teacher, no slave is his master." The pupil should be glad to become like his teacher, the slave like his master. If they call the head of the house Beelzebul, how much more the members of this household? Do not let them intimidate you. Nothing is concealed that will not be revealed, and nothing hidden that will not become known. What I tell you in darkness, speak in the light. What you hear in private, proclaim from housetops. Do not fear those who deprive the body of life but cannot destroy the soul. Rather, fear him who can destroy both body and soul in Gehenna. Are not 2 sparrows sold for next to nothing? Yet not a single sparrow falls to the ground without your Father's consent. As for you, every hair of your head has been counted, so do not be afraid of anything. You are worth more than the entire flock of sparrows. Whoever acknowledges me before men, I will acknowledge before my Father in heaven. Whoever disowns me before men, I will disown before my Father in heaven. The Gospel of the Lord.
Praise to you, Lord Jesus.
Muli sa pamilya Bernal at sa pamilya Luna. Ikalawa, pinasa ko itong readings of the day, not readings of the dead. Ang dapat natin basahin ngayon, do not let your hearts be troubled. Maraming kwarto sa bahay ng aking ama. Ngayon ang dinig sa mga patay. Maniwala lang kayo sa akin, babalik ako, kukunin ko kayo. And that is for the dead. But now I prefer to read the gospel of today's reading. Kaya nakita ko si Lilia dati, kaya na said, nakianak ko, si Lilia, sundi, wala sa estudyante na mas maglabaw pa sa naistra. Pero panikamutan sa estudyante na magpahit parehas sa maistra. Igamit lang ni Jesus ang mga talinghagang ito to focus on himself. Ang mga babasahin sa linggo kasi ito focuses on disciples and mission. Sinasabihan niya ang kanyang mga disipulo ko pa mo, i-direct tayo pa. Pero why hindi na diretso ginagamitan niya pa sa parables, sometimes example stories. Amo man ni si Lydia, karon gamit niya na not only his teacher, not only her master, but her God. Kag hindi kita makataas pa sa Diyos because Diyos siya kag waay sala. Amo gani nga nagapag yan ang bakit tayo nagapag-isa kung may patay, magpadasal tayo sa mga kaluluwa because gusto natin masiguro na mapalangit ang ating mga mahal sa buhay. Yun ang ibig sabihin dito. At huwag tayong matakot. Although to become a disciple and to go and send your mission sa pamilya niya, that is her mission. Sa kanya mga estudyante, that her mission, that the is to become a disciple, fear should arise in everywhere. Ang takot, andyan yan. Kahit na kami mga pare, may takot din. Bakit hindi ka matakot? Yung kinita lang sa sabi ko, takot gani ako dyan eh. Baha, takot gani ako dyan eh. Hindi ka matakot. Lalo na matakot ako pag kinalat mo na yung kumpanya at saka may mga politikong walang pagkaalam sa mundo. Eh di takot ako doon, isang bala lang ako. But Jesus said, do not fear. Huwag kang matakot. Sabi dito sa Ebanghelyo. Do not fear those who deprive the body of life, but can destroy the soul. Fear rather those who can destroy both body and soul. And that is God. Minsan kasi, we trust more, or not on Jesus, sa salita siguro oo, pero sa gawa, parang may paniniwala tayo at pananalig sa tira at sa mga bagay dito sa mundo at hindi dahil sa Diyos. Mas sumusunod tayo sa mga taong na ang rank in the society is higher than us. Yung mapatay na nagyapon sila mo. Kaya ang Diyos lang ang hindi. Doon tayo dapat natakot because tayo mga makasalanan. Not only corruption, karon gano'n, napatay si Pido, natatakot ako ngayon sa media. Alam niyo pa anong kinatakutan ko? Hindi dahil namatay si Pidol. Pidol is very good. Dami niya na contribute sa ating bayan, sa bansa. Pero yung nagila-project niya talaga, 18 kapilo, bata niya. Daw na-tolerate wala inahaw. 5 kapilo, sawa niya. Isa-isawa siya napakasal. Tapos natatakot ko ngayon ng ganyan ba? Mga subliminal messages of tolerating this lifestyle today, okay lang. Marami kang partner sa buhay, sa kaya ng buhay. To become a Christian, sabi niya, isa lang, bakit dinami mo?